Welcome. This lesson is very similar to the last lesson. It's almost exactly the same, except instead of just finding one point, you might find multiple points. Because what they're going to have you do is they're going to give you the graph of a function, and then they want you to fill in all the missing values in a table. So in other words, just remember your input is your x, your horizontal. So again, your input is your horizontal. Your output is your vertical output. So it's just your X and your Y. So when it gives you, whoops, I didn't mean to do that. When it gives you a 1, you go to 1, and then you look up until you find the graph to find its corresponding Y value. And that's what you would type in right here is 3. That gives you everything else is filled in. But as you move forward, it's going to make it, they're going to give you more and more missing values. Again, input is 3, so I go to 3 on the x-axis, look up till I find the function, look over to see what y value goes with it. It is 8. And as you get into higher ones, the functions will hopefully they'll start to become nonlinear, and there will be multiple that you have to find. Seems like when I jump, it keeps it there. Now we got to one that's nonlinear. Value of 3, come to 3, look up until I find the point. So here, see this x value of 3. I look up till I get to the graph, look over. It also has a, wow, I couldn't get my mouse to go over further. Go all the way over here to 3. So it's also a y value of 3. See, here's 2 missing values. Go over to 3, go up, find that y value of 3. Go over to 4. Look up until I find the graph, look over, have a y value of 2. So again, very simple like the last one. They're just giving you multiple now. Go to 3, look up until I find it, or down. It could be down, by the way, so that's just the next value, or y value of 1. Here, 3 goes up to 1 y value. All the way out here to 7, and I look all the way up till I get to a y value of 9. Most of you will find this very simple and have no questions. But if you do have questions, please do bring them to class. But you're just simply finding points on a graph, even though the graph is not linear.